inviting all budding artists, creative minds, and supportive parents. Get ready for an amazing opportunity to showcase your incredible talents in our free online competition, proudly brought to you by Beyond Classes. Every month we host a thrilling competition with no entry fees, and this month we're all set to see your best artwork. What talent can you showcase as video in Category 1? Colouring, drawing, painting, craft, card making, singing, dance, poem rhymes, storytelling speech, Rangoli, cooking, any unique talent. Below photos you can upload to website, colouring, drawing, painting, craft, card making, idols, any unique talent, capture the photo and upload to the website directly. Additional bonus gifts for every participant. Earn talent points for every approved image, up to 5 coins. Earn talent points for every approved video, up to 10 coins. What you can do with the talent point: redeem your talent points for beautiful and exciting gifts in our shop section. Check out our previous winners, who are over the moon with their fabulous mementos and certificates.
Thank you, Beyond Classes. I am so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you, Beyond Classes.
To join the fun and showcase your talent to the world, visit our website, www.beyondclasses.com. For any questions, don't hesitate to call or WhatsApp us at 805 06 1090.